Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mr. Effiong, an award-winning data scientist, software developer, and programmer. It's good to have you once again with us. And today we'll be continuing our series on Excel data analysis. And this time we'll look at sorting and filtering data in Excel. Part of the activity as a data analyst when using Excel as a tool is to sort and filter your data. This will help your data look organized, and sorting can be done in different orders as descending when you're sorting from highest down to lowest, or ascending when you're sorting from the lowest up to the highest. And you can filter specific information from the data you already sorted. We are going to be heading to the work environment to begin the class proper, but before doing that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button so that we provide you with quality tech videos and you grow in the tech ecosystem. Thank you for doing that. Now let's proceed to the work environment to start the class proper. Welcome to the work environment. We have sample data sets here and we are given 3 tasks to do. The first task is to compute the total. Then we analyze and compute remark to display pass if the total is greater than or equal to 50, and fail if it's less than 50. Then a task really showcase what we are going to learn today, which is to sort the data in descending order based on the total and further filter those that pass. Alright, so let's start with task 1. From our previous videos, we've learned how to compute total, which is the CA plus the exam. This time I'm going to be using a wonderful method known as the entering the cell address equal to the total for Jude will be computed entering the cell values for the CA and the exam. The cell holding the CA for Jude is C5, so that will be C5 plus, then the next cell for the exam is D5. So this is just another method for addition, a new one. I haven't talked about this in my previous videos, so that you have a lot of formulas to add at your fingertip. So I close my brackets and I press enter, and it gives me 45. So I use the autofill approach, click on the first result for Jude, then this tiny box here I click and I hold and drag down, and it saves me time for the others. Then we proceed to the remark, that is question 2. We are going to use the if conditional statement. We talked about the if conditional statement. I think that will be in the second video of the series, so if you've not seen that, you can go ahead and see it. For the remark, we work with the total, so we enter the equality sign if it's not case sensitive. We open a bracket, the total of Jude is in cell E5, so if E5, we'll put the logical operator is greater than or equal to 50, comma, we'll put quotes, computer please show pass, we'll close the quotes, then we'll put a comma, and we'll put fail, which is the next option, failed, and we close the brackets. So this is the formula for computing question 2, the conditional statement if, which is a function in Excel. The total for each of the students is greater than or equal to 50. Please display pass, else fail. So we hit the enter key on the keyboard, and it has displayed fail. So we use the same approach to the autofill to do for the others. I click on this tiny box here and I drag down. That is it. So we are done with question 2. Let's move to question 3, which is to sort. So we have to sort in descending order, and we'll be sorting based on the total. So I highlight the cell, look at it, the cell on the column for the total, I highlight it, then I come to this menu here, you can see it, sort and filter. I open it, there's a drop down, then we have options, sort from smallest to largest, which is I think ascending order, but we are looking at descending order, which is largest to smallest. So I click this, sort from largest to smallest based on the total, and it's going to prompt me with 2 options. Should I expand the selection or should I continue with current selection? Expanding the selection means it's sorting alongside other records, so to expand the highlights to cover the names and everything, which is the option we are going to use, while the other one has to do with only the total, and it will not reorganize the names and other thing that is associated with the total. So we select expand the selection and click on sort. and it has sorted it. Linda is now the highest, followed by Marcus, and Jude, that was number 1 in the list, is now the number second to the last, let me put it that way. So having done that, before we filter, let us rearrange the serial number. I'm going to teach another new method to rearrange serial number based on this present scenario. So we delete the present serial number, we just key in number 1 and number 2, then we highlight, and look at this tiny box here. We click and hold, and we drag down. It automatically numbers it. So everything is set. Now we want to filter only those that passed in the class. So we highlight the column for the remark which holds the pass and fail data. We highlight it. We go back to this option we used in our sorts. We open it and we select filter. Now when we select filter, it opens a drop down here from the first one. We click on the drop down, and we uncheck all of them and check only the one for pass, and click on OK, and it has filtered those that pass. So we only have 3 people that passed in the class. I remain Mr. Effiong, your host on this journey of data analysis, software development, tech, research, and so on and so forth. Kindly hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed to this channel, and I'll be glad to see you in the next class. Bye.